There's one thing I miss in this 4 Series which I used to have in the 1 Series, which adds a lot to the driving experience, and it sits right here. So it used to have an induction kit from Pro-Ram. Today, a brand new induction kit from Pro-Ram from Diversion Automotive with the discount code DIVE10. So they've hooked us up with 10% off. And we've got carbon of the fibers right here. Dry here, but very glossy on the outside. And this is the mesh looking cone. So let's stop talking and get it installed and see how it sounds like. So glad how it turned out, and can't wait to get this on the road. And look how clean this looks, so gloss, and adds a lot to the engine bay. Anyways, thanks for watching, and drop a follow to keep on update with what I've got next. I've got so much planned for this car, and on that note, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.